Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting in the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I think this first push up is an A, so that would make this right here an ABC of wave B, which I think will likely take out the low of wave 4. Then I think we probably will get another significant push up. But this move down right here has the potential of lasting quite some time, maybe 6 months or more. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this right here is definitely a downtrend, five-wave downtrend, which is why I'm pretty confident it's a wave A. This right here is one, two, three waves up. It is a higher high wave B, but that does happen quite often. I just call them irregular wave Bs. That means that we should potentially now be going down for a five-wave pattern to the downside for a wave C of wave B, which should take out both of these lows. So, keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, ever since we ended this correction and broke structure to the downside, I've definitely been primarily looking for shorts on sort of time frames. It definitely looks like a downtrend to me. At some point, we are going to have a significant pullback, like a wave 2, which would potentially be a correction to the whole move down, like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then go down for a wave 3. But until we actually get proof of this trend being over, I definitely think we should continue to look for shorts. I mean, we are in this little zone right here where I would expect a wave 1 to end, but we don't know that it's over until it's over. I mean, it could easily just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still a downtrend. Now, we had a very impulsive move up late yesterday afternoon. You would kind of think that impulsive up would lead to corrective down and then impulsive up again, maybe to one of these fib levels. I still think it looks like a 1 2, maybe a wave 3, and likely like a wave 4, and probably go down again for a wave 5. So I definitely still am primarily looking for shorts on these sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I would be a little bit cautious about trying to go long. The trend is down on basically every single time frame, so the trend is your friend. But if it does bounce from a fib level, if it does make a nice impulsive move to the upside and you're looking for like a day trade, then going long at the end of a wave B is probably a pretty decent trade. Might even take us to the 38, maybe to 50% before it actually continues down. Like I said, I would be very cautious about going long. It really doesn't even necessarily have to go up. It could potentially just keep on going down. I would have to see a fib bounce, a nice impulsive engulfing move to the upside before I would even think about going long. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.